The beginning of digital forms of money denoted a progressive period in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so on had their own advantage temporary fad to advance. In any case, they're actually prowled a test of openness, straightforwardness, and tremendous exchange charges. Allow us to have a fast look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the colossal capability of Bitcoin could be additionally outfit ideally through a hard fork, in this way expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin money. The mechanical subtleties. The essential goal of Bitcoin money was to resolve the issues concerning rising exchange expenses and debates encompassing versatility in the blockchain, keeping in context shared exchanges as the centralized computer and security as the crucial purposes. This BCH was ready to work with the expansion in block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, subsequently accomplishing a dramatically high velocity of exchange process. Bitcoin money BCH cost depends on cryptographic strategies that depend on zero exposure proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any verifiable information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Subsequently, security obstructions are captured first. A striking quality of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of additional exchanges on the organization. Bitcoin money. Functionalities of standard reception. Once BCH made its presence felt and unmistakable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to support English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the advanced bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. A profound entrance into the raw numbers of Bitcoin money has an out-and-out various story to uncover, regardless of having enormous future outcomes, likewise potential, and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size. The token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size versus its rivals. A significant explanation, in this way, is that the two financial backers and diggers side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The engineers required a ton of patching up to show greater deftness and rolling out revolutionary improvements to the venture's basics. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital currency bob to a colossal level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Then he began seeing this as a contender as opposed to a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, a resulting rectification cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a notable high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. Bitcoin money expectation has for some time been a panacea for application designers. Answers for certifiable issues like money moves and conveyed finance have been found in view of Bitcoin money. With Bitcoin money showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto world specialists who solidly accept that Bitcoin money, upheld by a principle strong algorithmic science and a steady past presentation, can be wise speculation counsel yet provided that contributed brilliantly with the right cost check. To tackle the ideal potential, specialists overall and die-hard financial backers of Bitcoin money expectation have exhorted adhering to this cash basically for the reasons of future cost heightening assumption. As a matter of fact, it has consistently acquired and reliably performed, as said previously. Allow us to examine the specialist's interpretation of Bitcoin money expectation specialized examination. As per anticipated Bitcoin money cost examination, Bitcoin money cost could float least cost around $106 toward 2023 in the couple of the following months end. As per Guaj Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH value expectation, it can generally depend on $280.62 as most extreme cost in 1 year. Bitcoin money ABC got enrolled in the Gemini trade, drove by the Winklevoss siblings, with NYDFS endorsement. Additionally, the quantity of exchanges for Bitcoin money appeared to be developing dramatically. Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV didn't figure out how to acquire a lot of ubiquity. Notwithstanding, Both of these coins are as yet accessible in each significant digital currency trade. There is additionally news that the behemoth will think of its own hard forks, prompting numerous potential ways that assistants to hold Bitcoin to get free coins. No big surprise this would be useful to give an enormous push to the cost of Bitcoin money on the lookout. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin money BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $379 toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As aforementioned, Bitcoin money cost is the posterity of BTC. It is set to follow similar impressions and cost activity as well. Assuming the Bitcoin cost is going vertical, the BCH cost, as well, will profit from that in practically no time. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts. The coin's cost has been diverging from its way ordinarily every 2 or 3 years. In 2023, Bitcoin money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the greatest cost, as indicated by Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023. There is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation. Yet at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost force and crosses the $250 mark. There is no such thing as Bitcoin money value forecast 2024 expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will govern the crypto market with a presentation cost fixed around $347.50 in the long term end. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50, with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to support and reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, according to our BCH cost expectation. There will be an exceptional change in the Bitcoin money cost estimate when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025 assuming the BCH cost endures for an extremely long period and mass reception gets numbered. It is, definitely, conceivable that Bitcoin money will be essentially more than its record-breaking high in light of our BCH cost expectation. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $300.30 and $458.70 as the greatest cost. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost forecast, it would have a typical worth of $379.50 in 2025. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026 in light of our own exploration and Bitcoin money cost figure. The BCH cost forecast for the year 2026 is $590.75. BCH estimate helps in financial planning with impeccable timing. Bitcoin money is anticipated to have a base cost of $386.75 and a typical cost of $590.75. Bitcoin money value expectation 2027 as per Bitcoin Cash cost forecast. The token is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $505.05 and $771.45 individually. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the crypto might be around $638.25 all year long. Bitcoin money value expectation 2028 as per the BCH cost forecasts.